In this tutorial, we take some problem from topic sets or miscellaneous exercise. So let A and B be sets if A intersection X equal to B intersection X equal to phi and A union X equal to B union X for some set X, then so that A equal to B. तो हम सॉल्यूशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. A intersection X equal to B intersection X equal to phi. Or one more thing that is given, A union X equal to B union X. अब स्टार्ट करते हैं हम लोग. मैं इसको ऐसे लिखता हूँ A, this can be rewrite as A union phi. A equal to A union phi. This is equivalent. So we write this as A union. Now phi is equal to what? B intersection X. So we write here B intersection X. So by using distributive property, we write this as A union B intersection A union X. So this is A union B. A union B intersection A union X. A union X equal to B union X. So we write this as B union X. So we write this as A union B intersection. We write this as X union B. So can we write this B A union? This is A intersection X. A union B equal to what? A union B. Yeah, A union B. This remain as A intersection X union B by using distributive law. So this is phi. This is phi. A intersection X is phi union B. This is nothing but it is B. So your A equal to B. A equal to B. Hence proved. Now this is the first result. I will take one more question from the same exercise, miscellaneous exercise. I will write the question here. The question is, let A, B and C be three set. A union B equal to A union C and A intersection B equal to A intersection C. Then so that B इक्वल टू C. अब इसका हम सोल्यूशन स्टार्ट करते हैं कि कैसे कर सकते हैं हम लोग. हमें B इक्वल टू C प्रूव करना है. तो सोल्यूशन लिखता हूं मैं आपके लिए. कंसिडर स्मॉल b बिलोंग्स टू B. मैं कोई छोटा एलिमेंट ले लेता हूं जो B के अंदर है. इम्प्लाइज B बिलोंग्स टू A यूनियन B. अगर B के अंदर है तो B A यूनियन B में भी होगा. इम्प्लाइज B बिलोंग्स टू A यूनियन B इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? A यूनियन C. सो वी राइट दिस एज A यूनियन C as A यूनियन B इक्वल टू A यूनियन C. इम्प्लाइज B बिलोंग्स टू A और B बिलोंग्स टू C. This is by definition of A union B. So two cases arises. Two cases arises. Number one, case one. So what is case one? If B belongs to C, then B is subset of C. B is subset of C. Now the case 2, if B belongs to A, then B belongs to A intersection B. अगर B A को belong करता है तो B belongs to A intersection B. Implies B belongs to A intersection B is A intersection C. So we write this as A intersection C. So implies B belongs to C implies B is subset of C. In both the cases, B सबसेट C है. दोनों ही केसेस में, इस केस में और इस केस में B is सबसेट ऑफ C. So B is hence similarly लिख सकते हैं आप, similarly C is subset of B. Hence B equal to CB. That's your answer.